What is going on, Forex Blade members? So, I'm here with another market breakdown for you. You already know how the deal is. You use the market breakdown to your advantage. You hop in based on if you are confident or not. However, these are the trades that I'm currently in. These are the exact same trades that our MAM mastermind group is trading. So, we don't usually give out these videos for free, but we have a very solid opportunity here for you to take advantage of. So let's just hop into it. JBP, JPY. I wanted to let you know that, usually we don't trade this pair, hence there's why there's no really drawings on there. However, I just wanted you to notice on the daily here that, Euro, or not Euro, JBP, JPY is in a no man's land, they call it, right? Anything in this rectangle here, is not gonna be an area where price would like to hang out. So immediately I just know that JBP is going to at least rise to. So if I just draw, right, if we're just kind of following the trend, this is what the EMA would look like on a daily. So I definitely see price coming. So let's make that black, and then let's see right here. I see price going up and retesting this, okay, before going down further or breaking through. But I see JBPY rising. Okay, so with that being said, now let's go into EURGBP. Everyone's, favorite trades. I called this exact trade in the channel. I just sent a screenshot for you guys. But guys, I'm still very, very bearish on this. It tapped this trend line. So if we just kind of fix that a little bit. So let me just go on. Let me give you this perspective here. Let's put the bottom right. Let's have it be the weekly. Okay. Right. And then top daily, and then let's do this one 4 hour. Cool. So let's go on this weekly real quick. Told you guys that, there's 1, 2, 3 taps right here, just like that. The wicks speak for themselves, guys. We don't even do it. There's one huge wick on the daily, on the, it's actually on the weekly as of right now, but it happened on one day. I think it was Tuesday yesterday or Monday, but it happened in the beginning of this wick. That's a huge confirmation. Even if price maybe comes up to this zone again, it's definitely inevitable for it to drop and probably retest this black EMA. So on the weekly, if we just drew the black EMA, right, this kind of seems to be the trend. So you can kind of see that it could definitely drop to this area. But going on to the daily, right, it's been rising for a while, guys. That's what you guys have to realize here. Look at this. That's just, it's inevitable for it to drop. Now, my theory about this is that, look, it went to this zone, tapped it a few times, dropped, and then went up here. We knew it was going to drop from this. That's why I called this trade, okay? Even when I called this sell trade right here, I said it could go up to the zone, which I was right. And now I'm definitely switching my bias to the bearish. I don't think this is even going to go up and retest this at all. I really don't think so. I really think this is literally just going to keep dropping from here on out to this zone area. So until then, it's kind of when we'll close all the sells. Some are in drawdown. But as of right now, this is the best trade to catch a very nice, what is this, 150 pips just off this one trade. So if you enter, you're a little late to enter now, so you'd be getting less. However, there's definitely, I see this not coming down or not going up any further. And then we go on a daily to kind of explain that a little bit further. You guys see it retested this zone and immediately dropped. Okay, immediately, right? So this tells me, look, that was kind of the head and shoulders that you were looking for. Here's a shoulder, here's a head, here's a shoulder, and then drop. Okay. So I see the EURGBP dropping. Where is Euro odd? I want to show you guys Euro odd. I don't even know if I have any markups on Euro odd on my trading view. However, for Euro odd, we're in a sell, guys. Look at this. Look at the price. Look where price is at right now versus when it was at in January 2019, right? Huge wick and then a huge drop, and now I see at least a retest. So Euro odd is dropping down. To know the exact levels, you would have to be in the mastermind. Let me see if I can break anything else for you guys. Yep, this huge rise out of nowhere. And by the way, guys, this let me clean this up because this sell I told y'all would happen. No stop loss. Told y'all would happen, and exactly happened. So I'm gonna remove that. But guys, there's a huge rise that just happened on EURUSD, right? So what this tells me is, and it didn't even make a new high. So what this tells me is this is going down. It would follow up exactly with the other euro pairs. So, you know, how I see this. Let me take out the Fibonacci here. See where we're at. So from wick to wick. So yeah, there's a lot of pressure over here at the 61. Once it broke through it, it went up to this resistance. Went down, went up through it again. We told you it was gonna drop. It dropped the whole way down here. EMA's crossed over. People thought it's gonna come down here. Of course, it's gonna go up, hit everyone's stop losses over here at the 61 and the 78, and it's just now rejecting off the 78. And so how I see this happening is a lot of people think, oh, look, to the trained eye, I see the market right now. I know exactly what it's doing. Okay, to the trained eye, I see how the market is trying to manipulate you to take positions. So let me just hop onto the weekly. Okay, I see that we're far from the 200 EMA. We're underneath of it, so a rise is possible. However, there is this zone. Cool. Let me show you, literally, guys. This is exactly how I do it. And this is exactly how I don't take too much time off my day trading. That's why I have an AI doing everything for me. But okay, so on a daily here, right, touched this zone, came down right here. It did a wick. So what I would do for your USD is honestly be patient. You don't have to take a trade. Just be patient. See how this daily candle closes. If it closes around this area, you're more likely going to be dropping. There is going to be a lot of euro downside pressure, so that you can take that in consideration. If you want to enter in a trade right now, you could. However, I would like to see how this daily candle closes. If it closes in a wick like that, that's perfect. That means that confirms that this is going to be a drop. However, let me go to the 4 hours, see if there's anything clear. So I don't like to take any trades if it's not clear. It's a little choppy, honestly, everything with your USD right now. But yeah, guys, this is gonna drop. Yeah, definitely. Look. Price was at this level over here, and it hit it 3 times. Boom. So I definitely see this dropping, at least to this zone first, if maybe like a retest up before going down even further. So I'm actually, you know what? We're probably gonna enter in this position. This isn't a final confirmation. However, my analysis is, if you do want to enter in a trade, a minimum risk trade, 30, maybe 40 pips, stop loss. However, I do see price could be coming up to make a newer high just to wipe everyone out before dropping a huge ton. However, you know, you could enter in this trade for sure. It would be a 1-by-1 trade. Okay, so it'd be a 1-on-1, 40 pips loss, 40 pips. So it's a 50% chance really that you're getting this trade. But so what I would just stick with is EURGBP. We have other trades and other pairs running in the background. Today we hit a lot of JBP pairs in profit. But yeah, so this, I would highly recommend taking this trade. And if you would like to know the other trades, if you would like to get access to that, go to forex-blade.com/mastermind to learn more. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram at Forex Blade.